Hey guys, so we're back again. Such a beautiful day up here. We're packed and stacked, ready to go, and it looks like it's another AYAMAYA day. Well, looks like we made it to our destination, a nice flat spot. We've got good cover. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Robert, and I'm going to be presenting to you today and demonstrating the AYAMAYA two-person backpack tent. I'm excited about this because they've got some unique features that I'm not familiar with, so this is my first time trying this. All right, guys, so off the bat, I've got something that I'm finding very interesting. We've got a stick structure to set up the tent. Once again, it's a bungee cord elastic. We put the sticks together, put them in, and these items here, the sticks, what you do is you clamp them down like this. There's no sleeves to mess with, okay? A lot of the times when you have sleeves and you gotta put the sticks through, they tear, being the sleeves, but not this. AYAMAYA came up with this system where you just snap these little clamps on, the sticks go right through, which is, I think, excellent. Okay, so, wow, she set up pretty quick. As you can see, we've got it set up for now without the rain fly. It's an option that you have for those hot summer days. Also, it's netted, of course, to keep the mosquitoes out and let airflow come through for those hot summer days, which is a great option that you have. I'll be showing you just a second what she looks like with the AYAMAYA rain fly. Once again, I really like this. This is really cool. Now, I've been an outdoorsman for quite some time, and I've never seen a setup system like this, which is the star system. It's all set up in one shot. It's not an automatic pop-up. You just happen to put the sticks together, but I like this, how it sets up with these clamps right here. Really good deal, guys. Once again, AYAMAYA comes up with the waterproof heat-sealed seams. The fabric is a 190T polyester. The ground mat is a 210D Oxford. All right, so we've got the rain fly on, and this thing has a vestibule, 19-inch clearance from the actual tent itself, and it's great for storage. Okay, it's raining outside, and your dog's all wet and muddy, or your boots are wet and muddy, and so you can always just stash your boots and whatever other gear in the vestibule to keep them dry. Okay, so the interior material is waterproof index of 3,000 mil, waterproof, PU coated, heat sealed seams. Once again, prevents leaks, double layer, also prevents condensation, which is, in my opinion, another plus. The D door, of course, is always AYAMAYA's, one of their trademarks is that a really big D door, and the vestibule makes it really cool because I could lay down with my window open but be out of the rain and just kind of wash the rain. All right, so although we have the rain fly on, you can imagine when you're breathing at night inside your tent, you get condensation because of you breathing while you're sleeping. AYAMAYA came up with this little deal. It's so simple, Velcros, little deal here, and there you go. You got air vents on both sides to avoid condensation within your tent and to continue airflow through your tent while you're sleeping at night. Okay, another plus factor that I feel is definitely a necessity is how the rain fly is sloped. Okay, so the rainfly is sloped. Why do they call it a rainfly? Well, to help get rid of the rain so it doesn't just pack on the top of your tent. And so I love this. It's fully enclosed. This enclosure just keeps everything out at night while you're sleeping. The rain, the condensation, because of the air vents. Definite plus on this item. Well, okay, this concludes my demonstration of the AYAMAYA two-person backpacking tent. I'm so glad you guys joined us today. AYAMAYA, I thank you once again for letting me be the individual to present your items. It's a beautiful day here in Arcata, California, in the Redwood Forest. Once again, thank you. It's another AYAMAYA day.